Somebody dump like 14 tablespoons of salt in there. Oh my God, I think I got a monster on. A monster snap! Card. Oh, geez.
What?
Oh my God.
But we're not catching anything. The only thing we've caught is small fish.
Here we are in Port Aransas. Not on the beach yet. We're just trying to spot over by the ferry here. And we're hanging out, having some blueberries. Dude. Surf's up, dude.
God.
Dude.
I don't have long hair to do this.
All right, check it out. See, we're at the beach. Third Coast, representing right here. Boom.
The bitch.
The beach is COVID closed to cars, but not walking. Come on, boy.
Okay, the bitch is coming.
Going out into the crazy, crazy ocean. This place is teeming with bait fish for sure. Oh, that wind? I don't know if you can hear that or not. He's like barking. Look, I don't know what that is. I forget what these are called. You never know what you're gonna pull up in the saltwater. That's why I like it. It's pretty cool. All right, let's keep trucking. There you go. Oh, pull it up, pull it up, pull up, pull it up. Ha ha! I never caught a fish. Told you, dude. See? Little fish for the Oliver. Little fish for the big Oliver. Not very, it's 1 ounce is what it is.
Bigger hook.
I took your bait. See?
What you doing?
Oh, my test dummy.
Birds' lives matter. And that's one fish.
There we go.
Fifth fish of the day.
But they're pretty little fish. Look at. But these are super sharp. Don't
Makes
jump
it-
out of my hand.
Makes
Don't-
the fish look bigger.
Don't jump out of my hand. I'm a fish whisperer. All right.
But no.
These more like little tiny pieces of bait. There we go. Oh jeez.
What?
Are you recording? Oh jeez.
He seems out of energy at this point.
That's a cool fish. It's pretty neat. I don't know what it's called, but I will find out and I'll put it in a little description on the video probably when I make it. That's what I'll do. All right, that's cool. Let's get the sucker back. Boom. All right, into the sunset we go. All right, well, Oliver caught some fish.
Caught 2 fish. You caught 4 today. Because that spotted trout.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot
You can
about the
stick an
old
image.
speckled trout.
We don't have any video, but you can just stick an image.
I know,
You
right?
can stick one image.
But that's
of
no
every
fun,
fish.
sticking a picture of a fish
I'm going
on
with
there
the
without video, you
multiplier
know?
So much.
All right.
I'm going with the marker.
Go get the bird. Go get him. Go get him.
Take the phone.
Whoa. Throw another one up in the air.
Take the phone.
Oh.
Take the phone.
Oh, nice.
You want food? Take the phone. Take any phone you want. Let's go. This is very cool.
Woo! Saturday morning, 4th of July. Gonna get our 4th of July on out here. The old Gulf's just right over there, a couple blocks. There's some bakey cooking. Ha. You gotta put on the brakes way before you get to the stop sign because the brakes don't work very well. Got the old COVID going on around here. We all masked up.
Look, I got a blunderbuss, a hook, an eye patch like I did in 5th grade.
Yeah.
No, 4th grade.
When you were into play.
And
When you busted your eye up. 4 towels for $20.
maybe it's not at this shop.
4 for $20. You want a gray one? Gray towel. All right. A gray, a blue.
No. No, I mean,
Towels.
we're gonna get 4 for
A whole lot of
$20.
towels. Uh-oh, they're coming for us.
This could probably be the news channel.
Could be. Oh yeah, look at the beaches at Port Aransas. Well, we're going out the jetty. All right, matey.
Going on these parts.
All right, let's go. Here we go. Oh, running into cars, almost getting run over here. In a golf cart. We gotta go hard and lay it far. Right turn, Clyde.
Aces.
Alright, get on the beach. Here we go. We'll be there in like 5 minutes. Normally you can drive cars right out here and there's a parking thing way over there and you can park right next to there, but they're not letting you do that right now. So we got a cart. We got these guys. We're gonna go right over this. We're gonna get on up there while the winds are blowing. Okay. See? Real easy to catch some bait fish. All right, have at it, Al. Shrimpy shrimp. All right, try again. There you go. Pay attention. Pay attention, they're gonna take it right away. See? There you go. Yeah, gotta pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. He got another little fishy. Oh, dude, look at that. Baby Jack. Nice, Oliver. Nice. You. It's a good little fish. Baby Jack. Those are pretty cool, man. There's all, you never know what you're gonna reel up, man. Never know. Look at that. That is pretty cool, dude. They bark. That's a good bait, too. There we go.
Yeah, it went down.
Dang it. It's like number 25. That right there. Little surf perch. Little surf perch. They're kind of pretty fish. Oh, jeez. There we go.
I think that might be the same one.
Yum, 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 yum. Oh my God, I think I got a monster on. A monster snag. We gotta walk this sucker back.
I want something big, but they won't take it. Even though it's just perfect size for the fish, they won't take it.
Half of a bloody fish sitting out there.
Half of a fish.
Welcome, guys, to the Jonathan and Oliver show. The whole
Circle of life.
circle of fishing life.
We caught
some fish.
tons of them.
Yeah.
Caught tons of tiny fish though. It's a fish though. We're not catching anything at this point. I'd rather eat a turtle.
Okay, well, there's a bunch of turtles out here too. We'll just figure out how to catch turtles.
Half of a fish, bleeding, juicy for any other fish, and won't grab it.
I know, like, why wouldn't they though? I mean, come on.
The only thing we've caught today are small, tiny little fish.
Well, as they say, a fish is a fish. But
I think now is a good time to call it quits before we succumb to any more.
I think fishing the incoming tide's much better in my experience with tidal affected waters.
Just to make us sit here longer and torture us.
I'm enjoying just being outside right now and looking at the water. I'm like, I don't
But we're not catching anything. The only thing we've caught is small fish.
All right.
That boat's
So
huge.
thanks for watching the Johnny and Oliver show, and we'll catch you
On the flip side.
yeah, on the flip side, somewhere maybe in the next 30 seconds. We'll see. Let's go for it, Elsky. We're gonna go into the ocean. Wish us luck. Oh, that kind of feels good. Oh, that's nice and cool, but it does feel like the Blanco River. It's not even as cold as the San Marcos River, right? So you didn't see any sharks out here, huh? Oh!
It's gonna be loud.
That's where we just were fishing over there on that jetty. It goes way out there. The further you go out, the better the fishing is, I'm pretty sure, but we didn't go very far. Oh! This one. Oh. It tastes like salt out there. It tastes like salt in the ocean. I think there's like 14 tablespoons of salt in the ocean. Show. There's like a miniature fireworks show at Port Aransas. Oh, they're illegal, but who cares? Whatever. Stupid that they're illegal. Oh, here comes a big one. Boom!
Hey, what's up? Oliver and the crew. Back at it again with another awesome drive scene. It's 4th of July, fireworks. It's crazy. It's fun. And I'm gonna record what I can. And it is just a beautiful night here in wherever we are. I believe it's Port Aransas. That's it. Forgot the name because I'm a dingus. There's those two whiz nuts right there in the front. I'm sitting here in the backpack, you know, trying to get some good views. Of course, all you can see is lights. Okay, well, catch you on the flip side. That's the one I was talking to you about, Yeah,